Hey guys, it's Isaac at Mallard Motors, home of the $100 credit challenge, where if we can't get your credit approved, we give you $100 cash. Today I've got a beautiful 2011 Toyota Sienna LE. This thing's a beautiful red, chrome trimmings all the way around, alloy wheels. Third row seating can seat up to 8 people. It's got the luggage rack. It's got a backup camera. It's got plenty of room in the trunk. So you can see you can fit a lot in there. Those seats will fold down into that, giving you a flat place if you need to do extra load. Also, there's a little jump seat here that goes in between the middle third row if you want 8 passengers. Otherwise, you can take that out and just have 7. It makes it easier for kids climbing in and out, but the option is there. Just a beautiful red and the chrome accents. And there's your luggage rack. Inside, we've got power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You got good leather. You got really good headliner. You got a mirror. You got plenty of cup holders. You got a little storage here. Got a couple of cup holders there. This comes out with extra cup holders there. Plenty of storage there. You got a little bay right there. You got your auxiliary and USB, as well as a 12-volt charger there. And there, another little cubby hole for storage. Let's go ahead and start her up. CD player. You've got driver and passenger control, as well as rear air control. You've got a little screen up here, which is also where your backup camera is at. You've got Bluetooth, auxiliary. In the steering, you got your media controls, your phone controls for your Bluetooth, your cruise control, your windshield wipers. You can see there your headlights. As you can see, clean dash, only 131,000 miles. No warning lights, nothing like a check engine light or anything. Up here, you've got your dome lights. You've also got your controls for your rear power sliding doors. So you can just press those and open them. Or if you're coming towards the car, like out of Walmart, you can use your remote to open them as well. Also works great for drop off for the kids on the school. You can just press those and open and close. From the outside, if you don't want to use the remote or the buttons, you just pull the handle and they'll automatically open. You can turn them off if you want with that buttons to where they're back manual. These seats will slide back and forth depending on what you want. They snap back into place, so they are adjustable. Back here you've got more cup holders there. This is where your third row jump seat could go, or with it out, it makes a great walkway for kids, or additional cup holders there. Back seats are in great shape. You've got 3 shoulder strap seat belts back there. Safety all the way. Go ahead and pull that handle and you can see the door just slides shut and closes itself. So very handy. Kids cannot door ding the door next to you in the parking lot if they just automatically slide. Let's go ahead and look from this side. Again, the leather, great shape. Seats just fold forward if you had a third row in there, so they'd slide. Great leather in the back. That leather doesn't look like it's been sat in very much. There's your rear air controls if you're not controlling it from the front. It does have side impact airbags. The rear windows, let's see if we can go ahead and press the power door button from the back. The door will automatically slide. It's got these little handy sun visor things to keep the sun out of your eyes if you're in the back or if you have a baby in a car seat. Also, the windows on the back roll down and up. The back windows also can open a little bit to vent. Press the power button. Doors open by themselves again. Front passenger, power windows, power locks. Again, leather seating. Does have the original book set with the Toyota brand that came with the vehicle. Passenger control on the air. You've got an additional cubby hole there for storage. This thing has just a ton of storage, ton of cup holders. Dash is in great shape. It's got the Sienna branded floor mats and even the little stripes on it. This thing's just a beautiful, easy to maneuver, gas efficient, third row. Let's take a look under the hood. As you can hear, it's quiet. Little layer of dust. Brand new battery with a 1-year warranty from Atwood's. (2011) Toyota Sienna LE, Carfax, one owner. This thing's just looking for a new home. If you want to get approved on it, go to mallardmotors.com. That's Mallard like the duck. Motors.com. Fill out an application. Only takes a couple minutes, and I will be happy to get you approved on it. Remember, trust the duck.